Today, I'll guide you through the setup and use of the AKG N5 Hybrid True Wireless Earbuds. We'll cover everything from initial setup, using the dongle, to resetting the device. Let's start with the unboxing. The package contains the AKG N5 Hybrid True Wireless Earbuds, charging case, multiple sizes of ear tips, 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, USB-C to USB-A adapter, USB-A to USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. To use the AKG N5, start by placing the earbuds in the case. Next, choose a connection method. You have two options. You can use the built-in wireless Bluetooth connection, or use the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle for a more stable connection or for connecting to devices without Bluetooth. To use the built-in Bluetooth connection, simply open up the charging case with the earbuds inserted. The LEDs will start blinking a bright blue light. This indicates that the earbuds are now in pairing mode. Locate the AKG N5 on your preferred device, such as your phone, and connect. To connect your earbuds to a device like a PC using the dongle, make sure the earbuds are in the closed charging case. Insert the dongle into your preferred device. Open up the charging case. Your earbuds will now automatically connect to the dongle. If the connection doesn't happen automatically, you can manually pair the earbuds by following these steps. Press and hold the left earbud for 10 seconds. Then, press and hold the button on the dongle for 5 seconds. Your earbuds are now connected to the dongle. You're not limited to just one connection method at a time. You can easily switch between the Bluetooth and dongle connection. There are 3 ways to do this. Firstly, you can just tap the left earbud twice to switch sources. The second option is to tap the button on the dongle twice. And the third option is to use the AKG Headphones app. Maximize your AKG earbuds experience with the AKG Headphones app. Enjoy customizable sound through features like ambient sound, smart audio modes, and high-res audio. Fine-tune call settings and manage your earbuds effortlessly with gesture controls. Everything you need for a premium, tailored audio experience. To reset your earbuds, simply tap twice and then hold the earbuds for a few seconds. This procedure will set your earbuds back to factory settings.